What is up, great guys? Scrembo here. We're continuing our video series related to Bitcoin trading on Bybit, Bitcoin bot trading, Bitcoin derivatives trading, and a whole lot of the other opportunities out there. So this one is a shorting trade that we opened it today. It is a day trade. We have been scalping BTC down, and this has been opened at 19,262, as you can see. The unrealized profits are pretty volatile right now till we close our trade and basically bank in the amount of money. In the meantime, we have been performing on a size of $1.5 million for the whole position that we're having, and we're looking forward basically closing out on this trade. In the meantime, for those of you that care about receiving rewards and bonuses, where there is a $4,000 up to $4,000 reward going on, a $30 welcome gift, and there is a $1,000 airdrop on the Ethereum for derivatives trading. Now, the only thing you gotta do is go ahead on scrembocoaching.com/bigbonus or utilize the promo code listed right there, 41060. You need to sign up with this promo code, or you go to your rewards page on your Bybit account, and on the bottom left corner, you enter the code that I've been talking about. So you get access to all the rewards bonuses, 0 fees on all spot pairs, and the $1,000 Ethereum airdrop if you deposit $1,000 of Ethereum. So let's get into our position here on Bybit and talk about the whole thing. Therefore, I'd like to close out with a market order, 25% of my position. Great, so we have already realized profits going on. I'd like to close down with another 25% of my position. Beautiful. There's already $4,959 realized profits, which are actually the only ones that matter. At the end of the day, if you have unrealized ones, which could be at hundreds of thousands or millions, believe me, I've seen through my one-to-one students that I work with that they did the mistake of not banking in and securing the profits, and then they had unrealized profits that they thought it's there, but the markets have been volatile, the markets have been running against their position at some point, and everything has been lost. Meanwhile, they were using to calculate for the risk management even the funds that are located on the unrealized profit. No, the only profit that is actually existing in real is the realized one. You need to keep that thing in mind. Great, so the markets are definitely moving quite fast, and I don't like basically sitting in a short in a such situation. I definitely need to move my ass pretty fast towards the right direction. We have so far $7,680 realized profit, and there are still 25 BTCs that we're going to close. We're going to go ahead and put it out with another, we're going to close 50% of our position right now and handle the process that we're in. So there is basically 12 Bitcoins left active for our position, a value of $243,000. And our ability basically, we have a realized profit right now that sits around $9,000, which means that we're going to cross the $10,000 profit for this day trade. Let's do it quickly, guys. 100% confirm out. Beautiful, great. So 100,000. Slightly more than $10,000 profit on this position that we were having on the BTC. What we have been trading is based on technical analysis that we are performing. And by the way, for those of you that care about education and would like to be part of my trading movement, what do I trade for myself? We also trade for our friends through API. Feel free to watch this video till the end. I have a minute talking about the rewards, but then I have a minute talking about our trading opportunity, including the one-to-one coaching for those of you that care about education. So before we get into it, make sure you like the video and subscribe. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards 0 fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to 4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/bigbonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/0fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in the space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today. And this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.